Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Vedank and I'm the founder and CEO of Digital Brothers, a marketing agency based in Dubai and Brussels that has generated over 8 million in sales for its clients thanks to a marketing discipline that is very well known but very well paid. And in this first video, I'm going to reveal this skill to you, explain you how you can learn it, but also how it can change your life. Because this skill allowed me to go from working at Domino's Pizza to a digital marketing manager in big banking groups, and then to launch my own company here, a digital marketing based in Dubai, allowing me to work from anywhere, anytime, only with a computer, and to live my dream life here in Dubai. And the best thing is that this skill doesn't require any technical knowledge, no expertise, no talent, no hands. You can literally earn money while you sleep. I'm just kidding. Like everything, you have to develop your skill set and work hard, but the opportunity is huge. And this skill is called media buying. So now you might ask, what the hell is media buying? A few years ago, when a business wanted to advertise, they were using traditional advertising methods such as TV ads, radio ads, billboard, flyers, etc. Nowadays, you see more and more ads online, especially on social media, thanks to media buying. To keep it short and simple, media buying is simply using digital advertising platforms such as Google, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and display your ads to your potential customers. Unlike traditional media, you can target people based on where they live, based on what they're looking for, based on their preferences, but you can also analyze what works best in terms of image, creative, video, text, advertising, message, and platform. You can track everything. So today, media buying is literally the best skill you want to learn if you want to be able to advertise online. And if you master media buying, you will be able to bring incredible results on the table. But advertising on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and YouTube is not just about clicking on a button. Nowadays, it's much more difficult and it requires you to master other marketing aspects. So you need to be able to create very nice offers, very nice websites and landing page. You need to know about email marketing, SMS marketing, influence marketing. Well, there is a lot of things you need to know if you want to be a good media buyer nowadays. So in my opinion, media buying is one of the most complete and complex disciplines in digital marketing because you have to be able to understand what's going wrong when you don't get results. And most of the time when you don't get results, the issue is not on the advertising platform itself, but it's probably located on another step of the customer journey. So in other words, if you want to be a good media buyer, you need to master digital marketing in general. So why am I bothering with media buying? There are plenty of ways to make money online. Cryptos, NFTs, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, closing, freelancer job, anything. I personally tested dropshipping and I have also achieved very good results thanks to my media buying skills. But sometimes I found myself in a situation where I was feeling empty with a total lack of sense because I didn't really care about my stores even if they were making money. And sometimes I was even running out of cash flow. And the good thing about media buying is that you don't need money. You just need a computer, internet connection, and you're ready to go. At the end of the day, I also realized that what I love the most is making an impact on the people and businesses I work with. Media buying is a very unique skill in digital marketing. As you know, you have so many other disciplines in digital marketing, such as market research, design, SEO, copywriting, content creation, website creation, and many others. The problem is that with these other digital marketing skills, getting results might take time. Let's take an e-commerce store as an example. They might try to build their audience with high-value posts, high-quality content on social media, brand awareness strategies, etc. They will probably get very good results in the long run, but it might take a lot of time, energy, and resources. While with media buying, it's very simple. You just set your budget, your target audience, your message, and as soon as you pay for the ads, you can reach thousands of people. With $5 only, you can reach up to 1,000 people, which is amazing. So to me, media buying is definitely one of the best skills if you want to impact business in the long run and help them to get customers. And that's exactly how I got started. For my first job, I was working at Domino's Pizza and I was passionate about digital marketing. So I combined my job with university to get a master's degree at the Solvay Brussels School, one of the best schools in Belgium. I finished successfully with the highest grade, and this piece of paper allowed me to get a job in the banking sector. So I then started working as a digital marketing manager in large banking groups. I had a very good position, a very nice salary, a very nice car, and I was managing budget going up to 150k euros per month through other digital marketing agencies. I quickly realized that many agencies were selling us awareness strategies only. They were having some really hard time to give us relevant numbers to our business, such as the number of sales, the cost per sale, the best creative, the best audiences, the best platforms. And that's how I understood that many agencies out there don't really know about media buying. I was so passionate about digital marketing that I decided to start working with local businesses outside my working hours. I was so passionate about media buying that I decided to take a loan to buy some media buying course costing me thousands of euros to develop my skill at a higher level. Then I went door to door to meet with restaurants, plumber and real estate agencies that wanted to generate 10 to 20 extra clients each month, and I offered them to set up a website and take care of their ads free of charge. So I basically started by working for free just to build up my skill set. One thing leading to another, I improved my skill set and ended being very good at media buying. I quickly changed my client category by specializing myself in helping coaches, consultants, info product and e-com brands. I started working with big brands and big names such as Alexander Roth in the French market and e-com King, my main partner in the English-speaking market. One day, a client called me to ask me to stop his ads because he could not handle new clients anymore. That's where I figured out that I was really good at media buying. I then accumulated more and more clients so that I could quit my job and start my own digital marketing agency here in Dubai. In conclusion, media buying is one of the best skill sets you want to learn if you want to be good in digital marketing. And good news for you, I decided to create this channel to teach you about media buying, but also to teach you about all the other aspects that you need to master to be a good media buyer. In other words, you will learn a lot about digital marketing in general. As I just moved to Dubai, I will also share with you my entrepreneur experience, but also teach you how you can find new clients and set up some good strategies so you can get results for them. Whether it's for your own project, to learn a new skill that allows you to work from anywhere at any time, or for your own general knowledge, you will discover how to master all these platforms and strategies that will allow you to achieve outstanding results. One of my big dreams is to be able to share my passion and help more people to work from anywhere with a computer instead of spending their life in a job they hate, as it was my case. On top of that, in the memory of my mother, I really want to help my origin country and open a school in India for children who do not have access to school, to help them to get a better future. And that's the reason why a part of my agency revenue as well as the income from this YouTube channel is saved every month so we can build it together. So if you want to know more about media buying, digital marketing and cryptocurrencies, subscribe to this channel, and if you want me to deal with a specific topic, put it in the comment below. I see you in the next video.